Hello, Google Learning students! Welcome to class today. So, we're going to continue talking about numbers. Today, we're going to talk about numbers 9 and 10. Numbers 9 and 10 are a little bit different, so I saved them for today's class. But first, let's review a little bit. So last class we talked about number 1. Can you help me to find number 1 here on our worksheet? I'm going to color number 1 using red. So let's see. Okay, so here we have 1. And if we want, we can do this together. You, as my student, can always grab a pen and some paper, right? That way we can write together, practice and write together. Okay, so there we found number 1. I'm just going to trace here what we have. So O-N-E. One. Can we say 1? 1. Good. Okay, next up is number 2. 1, 2, 2. So here we have number 2. 2. Good. So I'm going to do number 2 in green. So green. So we have 1, 2 little circles to color in here together. All right, and we're going to write to T, W, O. 2. 2. Good. 2. Okay. And next we have 3. Good. 3. We have 1, 2, 3. 3. Okay, let's find that. Let's do 3 in blue. So color in 1, 2, and 3. Good. Now let's write 3 together. T, H, R, right? We hear that. E, E. Good. 3. Good. 3. Yeah. Next we have 4. Good. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4, not 5. 4. 4. Good. So let's find 4. Let's do 4 in orange. Orange. 4. And color in 1, 2, 3, and 4. So let's trace. We have F, 4, O, U, R. 4. 4. Good. Okay, and next we have 5. 5. Can we say 5? Good. Let's do 5 in purple. Purple. 5. Good, and we're going to color in 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah. Let's write 5. Let's write F, I, V, E, 5. Good. Okay, and next we have 6. Let's do 6 in pink. Do 6 in pink. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yeah, and we spell 6 S, right? I, and then we have the X there, which makes the X sound. Can we make that sound together? That's not an easy sound. X. Good. X. Good. And then we can say 6. 6. Good. Okay, next we have 7. Good, 7. Let's do 7 in yellow. Yellow color for 7. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Good, we made it. So 7 is a SSS for 7. E, V, 7. And N. 7. 7. Good, 7. Yeah. Okay, last but not least, we have 8. So let's do 8 in black, actually, because that's our color left. Yep. Actually, let's do it in gray. So here we have 8. 8, right? Our friend 8. We're going to color in 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Good. We have 8. I, the G, H, and T. H and T. Good. Okay. 8. 8. Good. Okay, so let's continue learning about numbers. For this activity, you'll need to grab a pen and some paper so that we can write. You can always pause the video if you need to. Okay. I want you to count. Count. This word count. Can we say count? Count. Good. When we count, we're counting our numbers. So this is how we count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Just like on our dots, we were counting the numbers. 1, 2, 3, 4. This is counting. Counting 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah, good job. So I want us to count how many fish, how many fish do we see? So first, I want you to count. So how do we count? Well, here on the bottom, we see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Good. So on your own, I want you to count the fish you see. So one more time, we're going to count the fish you see. Okay? Then we're gonna write the number on our paper. Okay? All right. So let's count. You can pause here if you need more time to count. Okay, so now that you've counted, I want you to show me what number you got. Wow, good job, students. Let's count together. Okay, 1. Good, 1. Let's use a prettier color here. Let's use red. Okay, 1. Okay, 2. Good. So we have 2. 1, 2, 3. Good. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Wow, students, we have 9 fish here. Great job. Good job. 9 fish. We can count together. Yeah. Okay, so that's today's class. Next class, we'll watch a video about the 12 zodiac animals and the Great Race. Great job today, students. I will see you next time. Bye-bye. Bye-bye.